There is now support from the Cobb County Board of Health to require masks for all students and staffs. But is this enough to sway the school board's decision? Our Hope Ford has the latest tonight.
An emergency Cobb County Board of Health meeting filled with charts, data showing the recent spread of COVID with special attention to the schools.
One of the largest numbers that we have here is age 5 through 17 in our K through 12 school-age children. The case rate is 1,434, which is almost twice what we're seeing in the community.
Parents like pediatrician Laura Varigan worry about hospitals already under high strain.
My worst nightmare is that we fill up the pediatric hospital beds, we fill up the pediatric ICUs, and then we have no specialized staff.
School board member Dr. Jaha Howard.
Our public health officials made it very, very clear that we are in an emergency and we have to do more.
To help bring the numbers down, the health board wants vaccination, ventilation, testing, quarantine, cleaning, disinfecting, and universal mask use in schools. School Superintendent Chris Ragsdale, also a member of the health board, says they're already doing many of those recommendations, except for requiring masks.
There is a cost for having specifically elementary school-age children masked mandated during the entire day.
Ragsdale believes their approach is working for the majority.
We know we've got 110,000 students and over 18,000 employees. And so out of those 128,000 individuals, 97% of those are COVID-free.
The health board wants to prevent more cases and passed the measure supporting preventative efforts. The only one who didn't vote,
I abstain.
The superintendent.
We reached out to all of the school board members for a response. Only Dr. Howard answered. Next week, there is a school board meeting. Dr. Howard says it's been difficult to get COVID-related measures onto the agenda. He is hopeful that this time they'll take one up. Well, each Friday, Cobb County Schools updates the number of COVID-19 cases across the district. Since July, more than 3,700 cases have been reported. Right now, there are at least 937 cases across all elementary, middle, and high schools.